terracotta on this side and it won't be so white and so pretty. So normally when we